Samsung's revolutionary trifold phone is coming, but at $3,500 and only in 2 countries, is this groundbreaking tech doomed before launch? What's up guys, Atif here with the shocking truth about the Galaxy G Fold. The $3,500 reality check. This isn't just another foldable. It's a 9.96-inch tablet that folds down to 6.49 inches. But here's the catch. Limited to China and South Korea. No US release. Only 300,000 units worldwide. More rare than a PS5 launch. Same 25-watt charging as $200 phones. Seriously, Samsung? Triple Fold Showdown. How it stacks up against Huawei's Mate XT. Samsung G Fold 9.96. 200-megapixel cam. Snapdragon 8 Elite. Huawei Mate XT 10.2. 50-megapixel cam. No Google apps. Without global availability, can Samsung even compete? Samsung's big gamble. Why risk a niche product? Flexible OLED production is still ultra expensive. Testing waters before global rollout. Foldable AI could be the secret weapon. This isn't just a phone. It's Samsung's vision for the future of computing. Deal breakers? The fine print that hurts. No under-display camera, hello punch hole, same old 25-watt charging, while rivals hit 120-watt, October launch, after iPhone 16 hype dies down. Would you import a $3,500 trifold? Vote in the poll. Subscribe for our day one hands-on if Samsung surprises us with a global release. Watch next. Samsung Z Fold 7 vs Huawei Mate XT Ultimate Battle.